Hey guys, welcome back to My Tech. If you are someone who works with PDF Live regularly, then today's video is going to be a total game changer for you. We are diving into Wondershare PDF, a powerful online tool that lets you edit, convert, merge, compress, and manage your PDF documents with just few clicks. Whether you are a student trying to organize notes or freelancer handling client forms or a professional managing reports, this platform makes your workflow smoother, faster and more efficient. All from your browser with no software installation required, so stay tuned as I walk you through how Wondershare PDF can save your time and simplify your document tasks like never before. Let's get started the video. Wondershare is a unique and user-friendly online platform designed to make your work with PDF documents effortless. It provides an all-in-one solution for editing, converting, merging, and compressing PDF files, allowing users to handle their documents quickly and efficiently. Whether you are looking to convert PDF to other platforms like Word to Excel or PowerPoint, or simply need to make quick edits like adding text, image, or annotation, Wondershare PDF has it all. So the best part, the website is available in the video description. You are ready to get started with its simple interface and powerful tools. Wondershare PDF is a perfect for students, professionals and anyone who works with PDF for regularly. When it comes to the interface of Wondershare PDF, you will find a wide range of features designed to simplify your PDF tasks, from editing and converting PDFs to using OCR, e-sign and batch processing. Everything is available right at your fingertips. Let's start with the Edit PDF tool. To use it, simply click on the Edit PDF button, upload your PDF file and you will be greeted with the friendly interface. Here you can make all sorts of changes like adding text, image or annotation, but that's not all. Wondershare PDF offers you a unique features called the AI Assistant. This tool is incredibly powerful and today I am going to walk you through it. The AI Assistant gives you multiple options. Start with the chat with PDF. With this you can two types of conversation. One whether you chat directly with the PDF itself, and other where you chat with AI to extra useful information from your document. The AI gives you suggestion question based on the content of your PDF. Let me show you how it works. First I will check on chat with PDF and you will see that the AI can answer question directly from the PDF content. You can also select question suggestion by AI from a list. Once you ask a question, the AI assistant provides the answer right away. Next, I will demonstrate the chat with AI feature. All you need to do is select it. It asks a question and the AI is responds just like that. It's really amazing how quickly and it can extra information from your file. Now let's explore another amazing feature of the AI assistant, AI summarize. With this tool, you can quickly greeted summarize of your current PDF file and even multiple PDF files at once. First, I will show you how to summarize a single PDF. Simply click on the summarize with current PDF option and the AI assistant will automatically read and summarize the content for you in seconds. As you can see, it provides a neat summarize of the documents along with a few key questions based on the content to help you better understand the material. But it does not stop there. You can also summarize multiple files at once. Just click on the summarize multiple PDF button, select your second file and the AI will instantly begin analyzing and summarizing both files together. Again, it generates questions from the documents, making it super easy to review large volumes of information in no time. The feature is perfect for anyone dealing with research, papers, report or any kind of documents review. Guys, if we talk about the next feature, it's seriously impressive. Wondershare PDF allows you to translate your PDF content into different language with just a few clicks. Whether you want to change the language of a single word or paragraph or the entire document, this tool makes it incredibly simple. Let me show you how it works. First, if you want to translate just one paragraph, simply click on the translate paragraph option, select any paragraph in your PDF, choose the target language from the list and hit the translate button. Within a second, the selected paragraph will be translated automatically as you can see here. Now let's try translating the entire PDF file. All you need to do is select the translate PDF file. Choose your desired language and click on translate. The AI assistant will instantly convert the entire documents into the selected language while maintaining the formatting. It's quick, accurate and super easy to use, making it perfect for student, international clients or anyone working with documents. Now let's talk about another super useful feature, AI Grammar Check. This tool allows you to instantly check the grammar in your PDF file, making your documents look more polished and professional. You can either check the grammar of a single paragraph or scan the entire PDF file. Let me show you how it works. First, I will select a paragraph and click on the grammar check option. As you can see, the AI assistant immediately starts analyzing the content and highlights any grammar issue. It even provides the reason for a suggestion changes, which is really helpful for learning and improvement. Now, if you want to check the grammar of the entire documents, you can choose the check full PDF grammar option, and the tool will automatically review the whole files. It's fast, accurate and save you a lot of ending time, especially if you are preparing reports, assignment or professional documents. Next up, we have a really powerful and smart features, AI generated, and one of its standout tools is the ability to generate a mind map from your PDF file. This is especially helpful if you want to the content of your documents in a structured and easy to understand. Let me show you how it works. Simply click on the mind map button and the AI assistant, and the AI will instantly process your PDF and create a visual mind map based on its content. As you can see, it has beautiful mapped out of the key point and structure of the document. You can then open and explore the mind map to better understand the flow of information. This feature is incredibly useful for students, educators, researchers and anyone who wants to turn long documents in quick, clear visual for better understanding and presentations. Guys, Wondershare PDF element also comes with one more impressive feature, AI Writing Detect. This tool helps you identify whether the content in your PDF is written by a human or generated by AI. It's a great feature for educator, content reviews or professionals who want to ensure originality to use it. Simply select the AI Writing Detect option and it will automatically analyze your text. Within a second, it highlights the result and shows whether the content appears human written or AI generated. It's smart, fast and very useful in today's digital world where AI written content is being more common. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of Wondershare PDF element and the AI and the powerful AI tools it offers, from editing and converting PDFs to AI powered summarize, grammar check, mind map and written detection. This platform truly brings the future of documents management to your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to My Tech for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.